one right here, okay?
I don't like
This one right here is just pretty much the same as this one.
just a triangle.
You have a triangle, right? Nevaeh, you want to fix
I'm
that?
scared.
I don't want to get piped by the devil.
Who here is taller than him? Cobb.
No, I'm the tallest one in here.
No, you're not.
Brian's taller than you.
Daddy's the tallest.
Okay, so if you look at, thank you, Cobb. If you look at these triangles, you have a triangle within a triangle, right? You have a triangle within a triangle. If you're looking at this, look at the parts. You have the two parallel lines right here. You have two parallel lines right here, okay? You have one part on the outside. You have one part on the outside and one on the inside. What is that?
Corresponding.
That's corresponding, okay? So both of these would be corresponding. And this one right here?
That would be
Alternate
both of
interior.
what is
Would it be AI?
Wait.
Yeah, AI, alternate
Both
interior.
of what is corresponding?
Because they're all in, you know.
Both of these would be corresponding. What about this one right here?
It's that
Confusing.
it
Yeah, would it be the AI?
No, it wouldn't
no,
be
it's that
AI.
diagonal one. It's the
What?
no, it's
Look at your numbers. You did this yesterday.
Let me help y'all out, okay? Imagine this being flipped. You said what, Miss Burns?
So alternate consecutive interior.
It'll be consecutive interior. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why.
because they're both on the same.
You
Is it interior?
you have your y right here that's off there by itself, right? And you have these two x's right here, right? So because this x right, because this is an x right here and this is an x right here, then these two added together equal how much? 180, causing you to solve it by consecutive interior or same side interior with these two, and then once you find the degree of this one, then you can plug it in for, well, not necessarily plug it in, but just subtract it from 180 to solve for this one. Yes.
So the y doesn't matter?
Yes, the y matters. You need to find out what y is equal to.
What is it? Wait a minute.
You need to find out what y is equal to. But in order for you to find out what the y is equal to, you need to solve for the x's first.
Wait, so is the y also equal to 180?
No.
Y equal to 12. Is that what it said?
Wait, y is equal to 12? My brain hurts.
Consecutive or same side, right? So we have the same side. And then that makes them what? If they're same side, that makes them what?
Part plus part equals 12, or 180.
Supplementary, right? So therefore, you're going to take these two x's because they are supplementary. This part plus this part is equal to 180, okay? 10x minus 7 plus 7x is equal to 180, right? Okay? Combine your like terms, all right? So we have 17x, again, minus 7 is equal to 180. Do we have some deja vu right here?
Yeah.
Clearly?
Somebody come here.
Clearly x is equal to 11, right? So,
Wait.
Wait, so the first question was equal to that as well?
Yes.
huh?
Oh!
The first question was equal to that as well?
Yes. That's why I said deja vu.
Deja vu.
So, looking at this, you plug in the 11 for both of these. Well, clearly this one is equal to how much? Say it loud, Angles.
77.
So this is 77 degrees right here, right? And you can plug in the 11 for this one. 11 times 10 is 110. Minus 7 is what?
I know.
Huh?
103.
103. Yes.
103.
And then
This is equal to 103.
And then is it 12 times 11?
130.
No.
What?
No, it's not 12 times 11 because this is a y right here.
So 122. Wait, what?
What? You lost it.
Let me tell you something. Let me show you
Would it be
something.
122?
Y'all are moving too fast.
I'm just trying
And
to.
you're just getting yourself
Call
confused.
me Sonic.
Look at what I'm saying, alright? This is equal to 103 right here, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 77 right here. If this is 77 right here,
Oh, it's 77.
then what is 12y equal to?
103.
103.
Oh, yeah.
Because if 77 is right here, then this is 77 right here.
Yeah.
If this is 103 right here, then this is
They're
103.
They're bigger than the little small ones.
Yeah, 103. Now,
Oh, so it's all about the corners.
so in this type of situation, you have 12y equal to 103, right?
Yeah.
Divide that 12 on the other side. What is y equal to?
12, 103.
It's gonna be a decimal.
It's gonna be a decimal.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I'm like, what?
Yeah. It's gonna be like 8 point. It's like gonna be 8.6 or something
This
like
hurts
that.
my brain.
8.6, 8.7, whatever.
8.58.
Yeah. So it's gonna be like 8.6 or something. You said 8.58? Yeah, 8.6. Rounding it off. So, I mean, I highly doubt that any of y'all will be getting any decimals. I'm not gonna try to give you any decimals. Alright? But at the same time, I just need for y'all to understand how that stuff works. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is the next triangle as the same as the other triangle?
So let's look at that.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna look at it.
Alright. So all you're doing right here, because I just really want to drive home the point of the triangles, all you're doing right here is just trying to understand, okay, if x, we need to find x. X is down here at that corner, right?
Yes.
So because x is down there at that corner, you need to figure out, okay, what is x if CE, BE, if CE, BF, and AG are all parallel with each other, okay?
So it's gonna be.
So look at the corners, right? Look at the corners. This is 50 right here, okay? This is 50 right here for D. C, or BCE, is 102, right? A good way for you to do this is to just use the supplementary rule, because on the other side of C, this point right here, or not point, but this angle right there, right? This angle plus this angle is equal to how much?
180.
180.
Oh.
Yeah.
150.
No, I thought you were saying 102 plus 50.
70.
So what is 180 minus 102?
70.
What is it? 78. 78 degrees. And if this is 78 degrees, then correspondingly, this will be equal to 78, and therefore this will be equal to 78.
Oh, so X is 78.
Okay?
Wait. I got lost. How'd you get to the 78?
You minus 1.
You're the one who gave me the answer.
What? Really?
Yes.
Look. Look at C. Look at C.
Yeah.
Look.
He's on.
So C said
He's on X.
you have two parts of C, right? 102.
You're on slugs.
So you have 102, right?
Yeah.
And on the other side of C, you have an acute angle, okay? A straight line is equal to how much?
90.
No,
A straight line?
a straight line.
180.
180, right? So therefore, this angle this angle right here plus this 102 is equal to 180.
Yeah.
What's 180 minus 102?
78. Oh, okay.
78, right? 78 degrees. And because of your property of the corresponding property, remember your corresponding property says one on the outside, one on the inside, and they're on the same side. Okay? So therefore, this angle is congruent with this angle right here, which also makes it congruent to that angle. Okay?
Alright.
Cool? Yes.
So are they also, is it also like, so, I can't speak to this, so I was gonna say, so for the E, F, and G, would it also be 78?
Yes.
Okay.
The top, this part right here, 78, 78, 78, yes.
What about the, what would we do with the top part, the 50?
It's 50.
I mean, at this point,
Is he lonely? Is he
yeah, does 50, does the 50 even matter?
No. No one
Exactly.
cares about 50. No one loves me.
All right, sometimes with these problems, you will be getting certain numbers and stuff within them that have nothing to do with the problem, okay? That 50 right there has nothing to do with this problem, all right? It's mainly about this part right here because you're not even going to be using the 50 at all, all right?
See, when I first saw that, I thought you had to like